Welcome to Borail News. District level football tournament to create awareness on SVEEP at half. To raise awareness on systematic voters education and electoral participation at district level, XOJ AAG voter football tournament was kicked off at Lodi Field in Haflong on Monday. The match was organized by District Election Officer Dima Hassau in collaboration with District Sport Office. The kick-off program was attended by District Election Officer Bruhit Rabha, DIPRO and SVEEP Nodal Officer Purabi Phonglo, District Sports Officer Zagir Khan and other dignitaries. The tournament will last for 2 days, that is on 3rd and 4th January, and altogether 6 teams participated in the said tournament. Winner of the tournament will be selected to play in zonal level, that is Nogao for Dima Hassau district, and the zonal level winner will get to play in state level. Speaking on the occasion, District Election Officer Rabha briefed the youths present regarding the significance of votes and its right use of their right to vote so that they could elect the dedicated and loyal candidates to serve the nation.
Of Election Commission of India and CO Office Assam in the run-up to celebrating our National Voters Day of this year. We have a series of programs like football competition, dance competition, then singing competition, and quiz competition. These all are to be held in stages. Madam has told already that first stage is block level, then district level. Winners of the district level will compete in zonal level. Our zone is Nogao district. Then whoever team or whoever wins at zonal level, they will compete in state level, and there are prize money and along with certificates and recognition. For your information, let me tell you, the state level winner in football will receive trophy plus 30,000 cash at state level, and runners-up team at the state level will receive rupees 20,000. In dance competition, state level winner will receive rupees 10,000 along with trophy, and runners-up team will receive 7,000. In singing competition, state level winner will receive 10,000 along with trophy, and runners-up team will receive 7,000. From our end at district level, we'll provide certificates and trophy for participants. Most of us know basic idea about our democracy. In Indian democracy, through universal franchise, every eligible voter who are above 18 years of age, they are eligible to cast their votes. The main purpose of organizing this event is to make who has attained 18 years of age and till now has not applied for voter card or EPIC ID, they can register through online. Election Commission of India has developed
of the entire nation. Now, the Election Commission of India and our State Election Commission has organized this program called Hozak Voters Awareness. Now, this football match is a part of that Hozak Voters Awareness. We will be sending one winning team from our district to the zonal level, and there will be a competition among all the zones, of which the winner will go further ahead for the state level competition. In the state level competition, there will be a grand recognition in the entire state. There will be pictures of the winning team. There will be prize money, awards. Of course, there will be certificates and other facilities as well. And who knows, if you perform well in this program, if you perform well in this match, you might be recognized by the Sports Authority of India side, And let us grab this opportunity and make the best out of this that we are being offered. So, who are eligible to vote, to kindly register yourself, your name. In case you require any help, there is an election office, election branch, and we all are there to help you. And since it's a digital world and the entire world has become very small now because of the digital age, you can also register yourself through the app that election department has. So with this, I welcome you all, and I hope this friendly match will be a very interesting, and it'll be very fun sport. And all the best. With this, I request our election officer, Sir Shri Burit Rabha, ACS, to kindly deliver few speech.
He also highlighted the importance of votes to uphold the democratic traditions of the country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections, and to cast votes in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by consideration of religion, race, caste, community, language or any inducement.
ये स्वीप का एक पार्ट है जिसमें लोगों को जिसको रिसेंटली 18 इयर्स ऑफ एज अटेंड हुआ, कोई एज अटेंड हुआ लेकिन अभी तक इलेक्टोरल रोल में अपना नाम नहीं है, वो लोग को अवेयर करने के लिए. सो जनरली दिस इज़ फॉर अवेयरनेस ऑफ द पीपल. तो इस बार इलेक्शन कमीशन से, इलेक्शन ऑफिस से एक डायरेक्टिव दिया है सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट को कि अवेयरनेस के लिए एक फ्रेंडली फुटबॉल मैच खेलना है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट से एक टीम जाना है जोनल लेवल में, और जोनल लेवल से स्टेट लेवल में भी पहुंचेगा. उसमें से एक विनर होगा और उसमें प्राइज़ मनी भी होगा. और अपार्ट ऑफ फुटबॉल अलग अलग कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी होगा, जैसे कि डांस, सिंगिंग कंपटीशन वगैरह, ने हौजाक आदमी को अवेयर कराने के लिए इलेक्शन के लिए.
आज का जो फुटबॉल, आज और कल जो फुटबॉल मैच होगा उनमें कितना टीम है?
हम लोग यहाँ पे ज़्यादा टीम नहीं है. हम लोग 6 टीम्स के बीच में ये मैच होगा. आज होगा और कल होगा. उसमें से एक हम लोग भेजेंगे.
और ये अवेयरनेस जो प्रोग्राम है ये कब तक चलेगा?
अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम तो स्पेशली ऑन नेशनल वोटर्स डे 25 जनवरी को हम लोग सेरेमनियसली इसको हम लोग जो नए वोटर्स हैं उन लोग को सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं, फेलिसिटेट करते हैं. तो ये ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस है अवेयरनेस तो स्वीप का.
He also motivated the youths in respect of their right use of their vote and also encouraged to create an awareness regarding the right use of their vote among the people living in slum area. Reporting by Suraj Burman and Alisanu Nisa, Borail News.